Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be organizing this today, and this is my room. It's pretty small, very comfortable. It's just a personalized bed. The cat is somewhere here. Hey guys, so we're just gonna do a fast forward of what I'm doing right now in my closet because it's gonna take about an hour for me to get this fixed. Alright, so first things first, to organize something you need to clean it first. So get comfortable. I mean, I did a ponytail and then I put a headband because I know I will be sweating, super hot here in Nicaragua. So guys, the little one is telling you to like, subscribe to my channel, and share this with a friend because this might help them as well. Okay, so this part for me is very important, and it has to be like the first or second step of what I'm doing because I have to clean all the dust out. That's why you're looking at me doing like all these crazy things, getting to up my bed, cleaning everything. But it's just better because when you get all your clean clothes out of the closet, you don't want to put it into like a dirty surface. So that's why I'm cleaning everything. I did the same with the shoes, the same with the fan. So I cleaned first and then I started to organize. So to clean the surface of fans or like the doors of my closet, I use antibacterial liquid that kills 99% of the bacteria and viruses. And of course, the tissue that I used, it was a little bit wet, so it could pick up all the dust. Okay, so step number 3 was to start with the underwear. I took everything out that I wanted to organize, like my underwear, and then started to organize it into shoe boxes. That's right, I reused shoe boxes that I don't use anymore to store my underwear, bras, panties, women boxers, socks, that kind of things. Okay, so the things that I usually use, like every day, I put them closer on the first door of the closet, so I don't have to like be all over the closet and disorganize everything again. So put the things that you wear in a place of easy access. So as I told you before, I organized my bras into this shoebox. It's very easy access, and it's psychological because I just reused a box that I was probably going to throw away. Okay guys, so first part of the closet is done. I have my jeans, my t-shirts that I use every day, my underwear, and look what I did with the 2 shoe boxes that I have. I have my bras on top, and then I did a drawer with the second box for my panties. There you go. So very easy draw. And then my pajamas, where everything it's easy to reach, and those are the things that I most use. And here it's my sport clothes, and that's something that I don't really use. So after organizing my underwear, sport clothes, jeans, and t-shirts and pajamas, I started to organize my shoes. So I took them out, I cleaned the place where the shoes are, so when I put them back, they don't get dirty again. Okay, so I'm using a humid tissue with a little bit of water just to take the dust out of my shoes, and then I just put them back into the clean area. Oh, don't forget to hydrate. Okay, so I took all the hangers out to organize them, but this is how it looks, my shoes clean and organized. I organize the things that I have hanged from longest to shortest. The longest things they go in the back, and then the shortest things they go up front. On the third door of the closet, I have things that I don't use, dresses, cocktail dresses, my jiu-jitsu kimono, things for winter or autumn that I have here in my bags. And that's about it. That's how I organize my closet, guys. I don't know what breed she is. She's rescued from the street. She won't grow any more than that. She's very small. She's almost a year. Some people burn her paw, this paw. I don't know if you can see it, but she doesn't like a lot of humans because of that. So she only trusts a few. Right, little one?